हेलो एवरीवन। इस साल आपने क्या रेजोल्यूशन लिया कि आप पूरे साल में बुक्स रीड करोगे? पर कौन सी बुक्स रीड करोगे वो आज मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगी। मैं आपको बुक्स बताऊंगी, बिगिनर लेवल की, इंटरमीडिएट लेवल की और एडवांस लेवल की। हर एक लेवल की मैं आपसे 5 बुक्स शेयर करूंगी। वो आपको बुक्स रीड करनी है। आफ्टर रीडिंग ऑल द बुक्स, डू लेट मी know in the comments that how much it helped you. For the beginner level, if you are struggling to improve your English at the beginner level, then read the book The Very Hungry Caterpillar. This book uses very easy words and short sentences. You learn days of the week, counting and food words. It is perfect for kids and beginners. So it is simple English, fun story. Start reading it today. And the second book, it is if you want to improve your English step by step, then read Charlotte's Web. It has simple dialogues, very clear story. Daily आप उसमें से learn करोगे, you will learn the emotions. The story is like very understanding and it is the best book for beginners. Now, third book. It is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. It is actually written like a diary. इसमें sentences बिल्कुल short है, very simple vocabulary. It helps you to understand the vocabulary fast. And it is great for spoken English practice. And now the fourth one, it is Flat Stanley. The language is like clear, very simple. You will learn daily life, vocabulary and actions. And easy chapters in it makes the easy reading fun. Number 5 it is, if you love short stories, then this is the book. It is Fantastic Mr. Fox. Easy words, short chapters, fun animal characters that you will really like. And it is a perfect match for all the beginners level. So these are 5 book recommendations for the beginner level. If you feel this information is helpful, then do like, share and comment. Now moving ahead with intermediate level. For intermediate level, you can start with Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone. So here the language is clear. You will learn new vocabulary through a new and exciting story. Perfect for improving reading fluency and imagination. Next, it is for the intermediate level, it is The Giver. The sentences are super easy. The ideas are powerful, great for intermediate learners, and it is good for building confidence. Now, the third book for intermediate level is The Old Man and the Sea. It uses simple sentence structure. It is perfect for intermediate level to improve their vocabulary without feeling overwhelmed. Now, the fourth book for intermediate level is Anne of the Green Gables. The story is really emotional but beautiful. Vocabulary is slightly advanced but easy to understand. So it is ideal for intermediate level. Now, next, number 5, it is The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime. This book uses modern everyday English. The story is really unique, very easy to understand, and it is a perfect match for intermediate levels. So these are the 5 book recommendations and I hope you are liking them. Now let's move towards the advanced level. So the next book, it is The Animal Farm. So the language is very simple, but it improves your critical thinking and it is a must read. Next, it is 1984 by George Orwell. So there are like complex ideas, strong vocabulary. This book challenges your reading and vocabulary. Now, number 3, it is The Great Gatsby. The language is rich and expressive, perfect for advanced learners. And now, number 4, it is This book teaches real conversation skills, emotional depth, and social thinking. And the book it is To Kill the Mockingbird. This is for advanced learner who want to improve their fluency and understanding. Last but not the least, Pride and Prejudice. Here it is formal English, classical language, and it is very good for vocabulary. So these are the 5 book recommendations for advanced level. I hope you like the information for beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level of books, and you can just easily get them, all these books online. They are readily available. So if you have any questions related to it, do let me know in the comments. And if you find the information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.